there's some people in your life that you're gonna have to just love from a distance. It could be your friend that you grew up with that you know most of your life, but right now they're not on the same page as you. Like, you're trying to do certain things and they're just stuck in their ways and won't evolve. So even though you love them, you can't be around them all the time, so you just gotta love them from a distance. It could be a family member where right now their energy's off, or they're on some things that you can't be on, so you have to kind of distance yourself to do what you've got to do. It don't mean that you don't love them, it don't mean that that's not your people, but they just can't be around you the way they were around you before. It goes across, all the way across, to whether it's I don't know, sometimes it's someone whose energy is just off all the time now. Like, they're vibrating on a mad energy, they're always vexed, and it's dragging you down. So even though you love them, you can't really mess with them the way you was before, so you gotta love them from a distance. So I just say prioritize yourself. You haven't got to abandon your people. You still got to show them love. You can still support them when you can and where you can, but primarily make sure your situation's right and love them from a distance.